The next award is the Samada Henry Noor Pioneer Award. Samada was a member of our board of directors, and we named this award in her honor. The person who received this award has to be active in the community, active globally, active in demonstrating their love of the United States as well as the world. I get emotional every time I talk about Samada, but I said I would do that this time. But the person who we choose, this time, I might just fall out and cry. This time the award goes to Queen Quet. Even though she's trying to teach me, I'm not going to try to practice. But you know what I want to say. You told me I'll write it to you, okay? But this woman, this leader, she's the chieftess and head of the Gullah Geechee Nation. She is an educator, writer, activist, and above all, a strong and dedicated leader of the people. Yes. She has a determined and unstoppable will to preserve the history, heritage, culture, and language of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Queen Quet travels internationally to tell the story of her people. She has testified before World Bank, UNESCO, and thanks to her efforts, the Gullah Geechee is being recognized and considered, has that happened? It has passed as the heritage, I did know that, I forgot. Okay, okay. Heritage area of the National Park Service. She has loved us since our beginning. She has believed in us, but we have been awed by her. And we love you, and we appreciate everything you do. And we're gonna write, and we're gonna put it in our archive, and we're gonna separate you. You are awesome.
Wow.
First of all, I have to say thank God, and I want to thank everybody who's here. But most of all, thank this young guy who I met on the internet when this event was a baby, and it done grew up for me 12 years old. And I've been here about 3 or 4 other times, so I'm thankful to go home with an award this time. But if you will permit me the opportunity, because the Spirit, as y'all were announcing everybody, this song would not leave my head. And so I knew God wanted me to share it and honor the task force. I'm going to ask Kwame to help, don't you know? He wouldn't be up here with me if he was going to drop it. For sure. But this is for all of my sisters, the ones honored here on the awards roster, but also everybody else who stands every day and works through issues for our people every day. Even if that's just for your family, it makes a difference. Don't think you got to try to do what the rest of us who being honored do. Do what God called you. But it's not always easy to do. So that's why I'm sure God would not, all of a sudden it just came in, I'm like, I wasn't planning to sing that. And then it wouldn't stop, and then I was like, I'm not planning. But this is a song, some of y'all old enough and you may remember. All right. There is a place we'll go where there is most lives beside it, and from a velvet sky, a summer storm, I can feel the coolness in the air, but I'm still warm. And then a mighty roar will start the sky to cry, but not even lightning will be frightening my lion, and with no fear inside, no need to run, no need to hide. You're standing strong and tall. You're the bravest of them all. And if on courage you must call, then just keep on trying and trying and trying. You're lions, and in your own way be a lion. Mozella, you're a lion.
Amazing, awesome. Thank you. Great. I almost feel like roaring.
We can shout now, we can shout.
Thank you.